What's going on, guys? We got a couple gutter jobs on the schedule for today. We just had a lot of rain, so the roofs are a little wet, so we're just doing them from the ladder. I know most of the time, you'll walk on the roof, obviously, but these ones we're doing from the ladder just to play a little safer, and they're not that bad anyway. We do a lot of gutters, 1 to 2 story homes over, I'd say, about 60-ish a year. A lot in the spring, a lot in the fall. 60 total, not in one season. We're trying to get that up. It's a really good service to provide if you have a little bit of downtime. It's a great thing to do in the winter. If you can get to them around freezing, obviously you can't clean gutters when they're frozen. We do a lot of it in the spring, a lot in the fall. It's perfect for if it's like a semi-rain day. If you have to fill like an hour or two at the end of the day, gutters are a easy, great, profitable little service. So I'm going to post a few videos on how we do it. This is how we do it when it just got done raining and the roofs are soaked, and I really don't want anyone walking on a roof when it's that wet, but check it out. Again, I'm going to have more videos of this coming out, so. Say hi. Here, we gotta go down more. Hold up, it's not done. Yeah, blow up. You're not going to be able to. Here. We just got to move the ladder over. What?
Try to blow it.
Here. We'll just move the ladder. Here, I'll go up.
Nah, let's go to like the middle more. Yeah, right there, right there, right there. You're good, you're good.
All right?
Yeah, you're good.